Lean Belly 3X Review. Negative Side Effects or Real Benefits. Lean Belly 3X by Sean and Karen Hadzel's Beyond 40 is formulated with 2 natural ingredients known to be effective weight loss catalysts. But is it a scam with negative side effects, or does it work to provide real fat-burning benefits? New York, March 19, 2021. Globe Newswire. Lean Belly 3X is an advanced stomach toning diet pill from Beyond 40 that features a very potent formula led by 1,500 mg CLA 80% oil, from safflower seed oil, and a patented black pepper extract with 5 mg bioperine piper nigrum. The diet pill is formulated by Sean and Karen Hadzel, owners and co-founders of Beyond 40, to help anyone lose weight with the limited diet or exercise required. Using natural ingredients like safflower seed oil, Lean Belly 3X claims to accelerate weight loss to reveal toned muscle beneath. The product is extremely well thought out in that it is tested for potency, purity and safety by an independent third-party lab with verifiable results shown on the official Beyond 40 website, and contains absolutely no stimulants, caffeine or gluten, as well as using non-GMO sourced ingredients. Beyond 40 is very fond of its new dietary weight loss supplement called Lean Belly 3X because of its unique ability to naturally support healthy body composition. As an advanced belly toning formula, it claims to offer several major benefits to metabolism, weight loss, and other bodily processes. Our editors scoured the web to find the most important research concerning this unique dietary supplement formula. We didn't have to look far, either. The official website for Beyond 40 Lean Belly 3X clearly lists the key ingredients of the supplement, which made it a lot easier for us to make conclusions about the formula's potential effectiveness. Weight loss experts will always tell you the same thing about supplementation: it is not a cure-all. No supplement can force you to lose weight. At the end of the day, the amount of weight you lose will directly correlate with your caloric deficit. Burn 3,500 calories of fat per week in order to lose a single pound of weight. Likewise, 7,000 calories of deficit each week will yield a total weight loss of around 2 pounds. But anyone who has tried to shed fat should know that it's a bit more complicated than a simple calories in, calories out equation. A hidden factor in weight loss is metabolism, a bodily process that determines how fast we can burn through calories. This is the core element of the fat-burning process targeted by Beyond 40 Lean Belly 3X. The formula uses a variety of all-natural ingredients to boost the metabolic efficiency of the body, leading to accelerated fat burning. Beyond 40 trademark supplement meets all the basic requirements we look for when it comes to effective weight loss supplements. The formula is produced in a GMP-certified facility, it is tested independently by a third party, and it includes only the most quality non-GMO ingredients available. But this obviously isn't the only thing to consider when looking for a new dietary weight loss supplement. This review will explain the core facts and figures behind Lean Belly 3X by Beyond 40. About Lean Belly 3X. Lean Belly 3X is a natural fat-burning weight loss diet pill sold exclusively online through Beyond40.com. The diet pill is marketed as a 10-second daily fat hack. By taking Lean Belly 3X daily, you can purportedly incinerate 7 pounds of belly fat every 7 days, according to Beyond 40. If Lean Belly 3X could genuinely help you lose 7 pounds every 7 days, it would be one of the most powerful diet pills sold online today. That would mean losing roughly 30 pounds of weight per month, helping you quickly reach your target goal. Even better, Beyond 40 claims you can lose all of this weight with the limited diet or exercise required. In fact, the company claims, it's not your diet or exercise that's to blame for your weight gain. Instead, the company blames your aging metabolism. Obviously, you should be skeptical of any diet pills that claim to offer quick and easy weight loss with zero effort required. Does Lean Belly 3X really work? Let's take a closer look at its methods of action and see what users can expect while consuming the Beyond 40 weight loss supplement to see if it actually lives up to the hype surrounding this fat burner. How does Lean Belly 3X work? Lean Belly 3X claims that weight loss is unrelated to diet or exercise. Instead, the company insists weight loss is related to your aging metabolism. As you get older, your metabolism slows down, making it easier to gain weight. That's why many of us inevitably gain weight as we get older, even if we continue to eat right and exercise. Lean Belly 3X claims to solve this problem by flipping on your fat-burning switch, boosting your metabolism. By raising your metabolism, Lean Belly 3X increases the amount of energy your cells spend to stay active. Your body burns a certain minimum number of calories every day. When you increase your metabolism, your body burns more calories than it normally would, making it easier to maintain a caloric deficit and lose weight. Some diet pills boost your metabolism using stimulants, like caffeine. Some experts recommend boosting your metabolism by exercising more, forcing your body to burn more calories while supporting a healthy metabolism. However, Lean Belly 3X supports your metabolism using just 2 active ingredients, including safflower seed oil and black pepper extract. Most of Lean Belly 3X's formula consists of safflower seed oil. There's 1,500 milligrams of safflower seed oil in each serving of Lean Belly 3X, and 5 milligrams of black pepper extract. The safflower seed oil in Lean Belly 3X contains conjugated linoleic acid, CLA, a type of fat linked to increased fat burning. A growing number of studies show that taking CLA daily can support fat burning in various ways. Who created Lean Belly 3X? Lean Belly 3X is marketed online by Sean and Karen Hadsel, a husband and wife team who claim to have lost a significant amount of weight while taking Lean Belly 3X. Sean and Karen Hadsel are the owners and founders of Beyond 40. The pair liked dietary supplements, but they found most companies focused on younger people, not older adults. Beyond 40 advertises its supplements specifically to men and women who are 40 and older. You can learn more about Sean and Karen's story in a video and sales page featured on Beyond40.com. In that official video presentation and sales page, we learned about how Sean and Karen's marriage suffered because of weight issues. One day, Karen reached a breaking point. While dressing to go out on the town, Karen asked Sean to zip up her dress. Sean was unable to zip up the dress because of Karen's weight gain. Karen screamed at Sean to leave. She was overweight and she no longer felt beautiful. Karen had gained weight because of a medical condition. Karen was diagnosed with severe ovary damage that caused her to gain almost 30 pounds of menopause-induced belly fat. Karen's doctors specifically warned her about acute visceral adipose tissue, AVAT, a stubborn type of belly fat linked to a higher risk of disease. Karen's weight problem was so bad that, due to her weight gain and health conditions, doctors gave her just a 12% chance of survival. To make a long story short, Sean and Karen researched weight loss cures. They scoured medical journals for herbal extracts linked to weight loss. They tested different combinations on Karen. Finally, after testing different ingredients, diet pills, and herbal extracts, Sean and Karen stumbled upon conjugated linoleic acid, CLA, from safflower seed oil. It's a unique type of fat linked to weight loss. Lean Belly 3X contains a significant amount of CLA to help anyone lose weight. Karen claims to have lost 22 pounds after taking Lean Belly 3X. As mentioned above, the sales page claims you can expect to lose 7 pounds in just 7 days while taking the formula. Lean Belly 3X ingredients. Lean Belly 3X contains 2 active ingredients, including 1,500 milligrams of safflower seed oil, 5 milligrams of bioperine black pepper extract. Safflower seed oil is rich with an active ingredient called conjugated linoleic acid, or CLA. Studies show that CLA could increase muscle tone and weight loss, among other benefits. Black pepper extract, meanwhile, has become increasingly popular in supplements. Studies show black pepper extract increases the absorption of ingredients. Even with a small dose of black pepper extract, Lean Belly 3X could be easier for your body to absorb than other diet pills. Each 1,500 milligrams serving of safflower seed oil in Lean Belly 3X contains 1,200 milligrams of conjugated linoleic acid, similar to the dose used in most studies. Both active ingredients are packaged into a gelatin capsule with glycerin, purified water, and caramel color. Lean Belly 3X has no stimulants, unusual herbal extracts, caffeine, or similar ingredients found in other diet pills. Exclusive online savings. Get the lowest price for Beyond 40 Lean Belly 3X supplement today at the official website. Lean Belly 3X benefits. Lean Belly 3X is of the mind. You could experience all of the following benefits by taking Beyond 40 Lean Belly 3X regularly. Support weight loss. Enhance that natural fat releasing effects of conjugated linoleic acid with black pepper extract. Support accelerated fat burning and better overall body composition. Decrease body fat while building toned muscle. Third party tested for purity, potency, and safety. Made in the United States in an FDA registered, GMP certified facility. The best part is all of these Beyond 40 weight loss supplement benefits come with no Lean Belly 3X side effects reported or adverse reactions to mention upon researching for scam complaints or user feedback. Scientific evidence for Lean Belly 3X. Science tells us that weight loss is linked to calorie burning. The more you diet and exercise, the bigger your calorie deficit will be, which means you'll lose more weight. Beyond 40, however, claims weight loss has more to do with age, not diet and exercise. They claim you can lose 7 pounds every 7 days while taking Lean Belly 3X, regardless of your diet and exercise habits, because the supplement optimizes your metabolism at any age, helping you naturally burn more calories. Unfortunately, Beyond 40 has not completed or published research validating its weight loss claims. However, there's some evidence that the conjugated linoleic acid, CLA, in Lean Belly 3X could accelerate weight loss. Conjugated linoleic acid is a naturally occurring fatty acid found in meat and dairy products. You can also find it in many dietary supplements. Some CLA supplements are advertised as diet pills. Some are advertised as bodybuilding supplements because they support lean muscle mass. You can also find CLA in supplements marketed to diabetics or people with blood sugar control issues. CLA comes from multiple sources, although the CLA in Lean Belly 3X comes from safflower seed oil. Unlike meat and dairy sources of CLA, safflower seed oil is vegetarian and vegan friendly. However, the overall Lean Belly 3X supplement is not considered vegetarian or vegan because it uses gelatin, typically sourced from cows, to create the capsule. Like other high-quality CLA supplements, Lean Belly 3X contains 80% CLA by weight. That means 80% of the safflower seed oil, 1,200 mg of 1,500 mg total, consists of CLA instead of other additives. Beyond 40 has done a great job at researching the Lean Belly 3X ingredients to prove their weight loss results based on the independent labs who have studied conjugated linoleic acid and its effects on weight loss. In this 2015 study, researchers reviewed dozens of trials on conjugated linoleic acid and weight loss. After analyzing evidence collected in other trials, researchers concluded that CLA could be effective for weight loss, as multiple studies showed taking CLA was linked to weight loss results. Unfortunately, other studies have shown that CLA is no better than a placebo for weight loss. In fact, some studies show that CLA is worse than a placebo for losing weight. In that same 2015 review linked above, researchers found multiple trials linking CLA to negative effects on glucose metabolism and lipid profile. That means CLA could make it harder for your body to balance blood sugar or maintain healthy cholesterol levels. You might lose weight with CLA, only to imbalance your blood sugar and cholesterol levels. In healthy adults, however, CLA seems to support body composition, weight loss, and lean muscle mass formation. This 2007 study found that CLA reduced fat mass compared to a placebo. Researchers reviewed weight loss studies on CLA and found a connection between CLA and weight loss. However, researchers urged caution, as most studies were performed on animals instead of humans. Nevertheless, that same 2007 study found significant weight loss effects associated with CLA. After checking the results of 18 studies on animals and humans, researchers found that an optimal dose of 3.2 grams of CLA was associated with small weight loss in humans. This is a higher dose than what we see in Lean Belly 3X. None of these studies show that you can lose 1 pound per day while taking CLA without diet or exercise, as the sales page for Lean Belly 3X seems to suggest. In 2004, WebMD did describe CLA as a potential weight loss miracle pill, citing various studies. However, none of those studies showed 7 pounds of weight loss every 7 days. WebMD cited one study showing women lost 9% of their body fat after taking CLA for 1 year. If you're 150 pounds, then that means losing 13.5 pounds after 365 days of taking a CLA supplement. That's a significant amount of weight to lose, but it's nowhere near the numbers advertised on Beyond 40's sales page. CLA may have other effects beyond weight loss. A recent study in Nutrients showed that CLA impacted cancer, obesity, atherosclerosis, and gut microbiota function, among other metrics. Researchers analyzed 230-plus studies on CLA to verify these effects. Overall, while there might not be any direct evidence that Lean Belly 3X can lead up to 7 pounds of weight loss every 7 days, taking conjugated linoleic acid daily is associated with real weight loss benefits among other positive health effects. How much does Lean Belly 3X cost? Lean Belly 3X is exclusively sold through Beyond40.com, where it's priced at around $59 per bottle. Each bottle contains 120 soft gel capsules, 30 servings. You take 4 capsules of Lean Belly 3X daily to support weight loss. Here's how pricing works. 1 bottle, $59. 3 bottles, $147, $49 each. Incredible discount for those committed to the plan. 6 bottles, $234, only $39 each. Best value, most popular choice. Can I get a refund on Lean Belly 3X? Lean Belly 3X comes with a generous 60-day money-back guarantee. You can request a complete refund on Lean Belly 3X within 60 days of your original date of purchase. If you're unhappy with the weight loss results of Lean Belly 3X, or if you did not lose 7 pounds every 7 days while taking the formula, then you are entitled to a complete refund. In fact, it is so easy to get a customer refund for Lean Belly 3X weight loss pills that here is exactly how you do it. Just to show you, today's purchase of the Advanced Belly Toning Formula by Beyond 40 is risk-free. All Lean Belly 3X orders will be processed by ClickBank, who offers an easy 24/7 customer service and refund policy. If you are planning to return any product that you are not satisfied with, you can simply follow the step-by-step guide given below. Pro tip: any purchase you made through the ClickBank website appears as CLKBANK*com on your bank statement. Step 1. Log in to ClickBank's customer service website. Step 2. Click on the Look Up Your Order button and find your order. Step 3. Provide any 2 identifiers. In this corresponding fields, add the email ID that you have used to place the order and any one of the following identifiers. Last 4-digit of payment method, order number and zip code. Step 4. Click on the Go button. Once you click on the Go button, a mail containing a confirmation code will be initiated from ClickBank customer service to your verified email address. Step 5. Enter the confirmation code received in your email. Step 6. Click on the Go button. Step 7. Click on the Get Support button. Step 8. Select the Refund Request button. Step 9. Select your reason for the refund request. ClickBank offers a Select a Reason drop-down menu from which you may select the reason for the refund. They also provide an additional comments correspondence in which you may add any comment relevant to the refund in the Additional Comments field. Step 10. Click on the Send button. Once all the necessary fields are completed, you may click the Send button. Typically, ClickBank refunds all Lean Belly 3X supplement orders right away and will be processed within a couple of business days at the most. In a case where you have received a physical product and a return is required, the refund will be issued within 19 days. And that's it. Super simple process that shows you just how easy it is to buy Lean Belly 3X risk-free today. About Beyond 40. Beyond 40, at Beyond40.com, is a Michigan-based supplement company launched by Sean and Karen Hadzel. Sean and Karen Hadzel are in their 50s and 60s and in the best shape of their lives. Their supplement company markets formulas specifically for older adults seeking similar gains. To learn more about Beyond 40 or to contact the company Toady, use the following methods. Phone: 1-800-292-4270. Email: support@beyond40.com. Email form: https://beyond40.com/contact-us. Mailing address: 9927 Meadowview Court, Northville, Michigan, 48167 as Lean Belly 3X a scam or legit. Consumers should be and have a right to be naturally skeptical when it comes to the $24 billion annual global weight loss supplement market as of 2020. And now that we are in 2021, post-lockdowns and quarantine pandemic, it is only grounded in reality to be wary of wild claims, boldly presented benefits and zero reported side effects. But when one digs into the truth about Lean Belly 3X by Beyond 40, one will be hard-pressed to find any real reason to believe in the Lean Belly 3X scam risks. As long as customers only buy directly from the official Beyond 40 website only, where they offer the lowest prices with the biggest discounts anyway, one has no reason to believe this advanced belly toning formula is fraudulent at all. The only Lean Belly 3X scam threats that exist online are by ordering from any other website or marketplace online, including Amazon and eBay. Sean and Karen Hadsel are very clear during the official presentation that there is no other place to purchase their 2-ingredient fat burner supplement than Beyond40.com. Throw in the company's transparency, the owner's story and vulnerability, and the product's rock-solid formulation, money-back guarantee, and affordable pricing, and the Beyond 40 Lean Belly 3X weight loss supplement has a lot more to offer users than most competitors in its class. Final verdict. Lean Belly 3X is a diet formula that claims to lead to significant weight loss without any negative side effects. Using safflower seed oil and conjugated linoleic acid, Lean Belly 3X can purportedly support weight loss, fat burning, and other effects. The first thing to remember about Beyond 40 Lean Belly 3X is that it is nearly completely risk-free. First, the formula contains no caffeine or stimulants. Additionally, Beyond 40's 60-day money-back guarantee means that you can try the supplement for 60 days and return it for a full refund, no questions asked. The third-party testing and GMP certification backing the Lean Belly 3X is also a positive sign. The formula is likely as potent, pure, and safe as you can get within the growing weight loss supplement industry. As far as ingredients go, Beyond 40 revels in transparency with open, honest, and direct formulators who share their personal story of how this weight loss product came to be available. The site clearly lists all ingredients in the formula, which includes several ingredients scientifically backed as potential weight loss aids. Some research does suggest that the formula used in Beyond 40 Lean Belly 3X can be effective in helping people lose weight. Our stance on weight loss formulas is uncompromising. Weight loss supplements can't do all the work for you, but are useful when combined with diet and exercise. Some may be skeptical that Lean Belly 3X leads to 7 pounds of weight loss every 7 days, but the truth is results will vary, and supplying the body with the right ingredients and environment can do wonders in the world of natural weight loss. The studies show CLA can help accelerate the fat burning process, and the formula is backed by a 60-day refund policy, so buying Sean and Karen Hadsel's Beyond 40 Lean Belly 3X weight loss supplement is a risk-free option today. Official website, https://beyond40.com/. Contact details, Lean Belly 3X. Support at beyond40.com. Toll-free 1-800-292-4270. About Marketing by Kevin.com. Marketing by Kevin Reviews is researched and formulated by a group of experienced natural health advocates with years of dedication and determination to find the highest quality health products and wellness programs available. It should be noted that any purchase derived from this resource is done at your own peril. It is recommended to consult with a qualified professional healthcare practitioner before making an order today if there are any additional questions or concerns. Any order finalized from this release's links is subject to the entire terms and conditions of the official website's offer. The researched information above does not take any direct or indirect responsibility for its accuracy. Affiliate disclosure. The links contained in this product review may result in a small commission if you opt to purchase the product recommended at no additional cost to you. This goes towards supporting our research and editorial team, and please know we only recommend high-quality products. Disclaimer. Please understand that any advice or guidelines revealed here are not even remotely a substitute for sound medical advice from a licensed healthcare provider. Make sure to consult with a professional physician before making any purchasing decision if you use medications or have concerns following the review details shared above. Individual results may vary as the statements made regarding these products have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. The efficacy of these products has not been confirmed by FDA-approved research. These products are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure or prevent any disease.